So excited. My SHC glutathione package basically arrived, and it looks like everything is wrapped really well, which is coming from UK. So let me unwrap all of this stuff off camera, and then I will show you what I got.
Oh my gosh, guys, so excited. So that was actually really easy to unpack it. Like I had like out scissors and a knife. You need it like none of that. They have it packed where it's like easy to open up the bubble wrap. So this is what we're working with. We have the red peeling oil. We have the yellow peeling oil. I've used these before. These are pretty much the only skin oils that I trust. Skin oils, like peeling oils. Like I've used others in the past. I have gotten chemical burn. With this brand, I mean, just you have to basically follow like the directions. It's like something that you apply over the course of like a couple days, and it takes about 14 days to fully peel. But I mean, it's a thorough peel. There's no way that you're not coming out lighter on the other end. It's always worked really well. I have used both the red and the oil and the yellow oil in the past. The red is my favorite just because it's stronger, though honestly, the yellow, you're still getting a good peel. So I would see where using the yellow maybe on sensitive spots if you have like, I don't know, if you want to do it on your face versus the red for everywhere else. But honestly, they can like both be used for full body. Like I said, I already trust it because I've already used it, and I've never had any issues. It's just you have to basically carve out time where you can look like a snake because you will have, I mean, all of your skin is coming off. I'm like already thinking right now, like, oh God, what is my boyfriend gonna think? Over 2 weeks of just shedding. I have thought about this before and maybe just doing it in like maybe do arms, let those shed for 2 weeks, and then do legs, so then I can just keep certain areas covered, and not looking like I'm dying at work. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But these are great, especially if you have like a stubborn area. A lot of people like message me like, my face isn't lightening, or they'll say my thighs aren't lightening. You're gonna lighten, you're gonna peel with this, especially if you have like patches or something. This will basically smooth out. So this is new. I've never seen this before. This is Strong Skin Lightening Bar Soap. I'm just assuming it has kojic acid, though I'll have to look on their website and see really what's in it. We have these are like applicators for the peeling oil because the oil is really watery. This is another new product I've never used before. This is a lightening serum, used on face and neck day and night. Again, I'll go on the website just to let you guys know all what is in that one. This is a face and body lightening lotion. Okay, so I'm really excited about this because it has Snow White in it. I've never used Snow White. Some things like just are harder to get over here. Like they had this packaged perfectly, because it's coming all the way from the UK. So I'm excited. This is Snow White, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, licorice root, and niacinamide. Oh, it also has lactic acid and glycolic and lemon peel. I did open it up and smell it. I guess I'll open it so you guys can get a whiff. It doesn't smell bad or anything. I mean, it just like, you can tell like this is a strong lightening. Yeah, I can't describe what it smells like. It doesn't have fragrance in it, so I mean it's a lotion that's made to get like crap done basically. So I could see me like maybe wearing this at night before bed, and then doing a wash with the soap before work, and then when I get home after my run, I don't know, no, after that I guess I would put on this lotion. So I'll show you guys this one. I like how they have the glitter in it. I just opened it up, so we had just some spillage, but for the most part the pump, everything is working, thank gosh. So this is True Skin, their kojic acid, alpha-arbutin skin lightening body lotion. I like how they have, looks like maybe some mica, because it does look a little bit shimmery, or I could be totally wrong. It could just naturally look cool like that. So we have water. What else? Looks like alcohol. Sorry, it's hard to show up on camera, so maybe I'll just read it for you guys. Glycol, niacinamide, papaya extract, mineral oil, something called Nipagard. I don't know what that is. Shea butter, This one has fragrance in it, so it does smell good. It kind of reminds me of like the beach. I don't know what that could be. It does have alpha arbutin, 3%, and then retinoic acid and kojic acid, and then colorant. So yeah, so there might be some mica. So we have that. Oh, let me close this before I make a total mess. And then where did I put, oh, right here. All right, so this is a knuckle cream. I get this question all the time about how to lighten knuckles. I will show you guys mine right now. Pretty brown, pretty brown. So I'll be using the knuckle cream. So I guess I'll go ahead and like, we'll take a picture of hands right now, just so you guys can get an idea of the before. And then it also came with the knuckle lightening scrub. Let me see, use once or 3 times a week. Oh, okay, so this stuff is going to be pretty strong if it's saying only use up to 3 times a week. Cream crystals, butters, oil, shea butter, grapeseed, avocado, vitamin E. And then obviously it's going to have the lightening stuff as well, but I assume maybe not. I don't know. But it must just be a really good exfoliant then. And then you have to follow it up with this, because this is where the magic happens. Apply twice a day on clean skin, knuckles, elbows, inner thigh, feet, stubborn areas. Okay, I like that. I liked it a lot. All right, so now I need to open this. This is basically going to be glutathione and vitamin C, liposomal anyways. I know last time I had it, I think they've changed basically the mixture. I want to say they improved the flavor, so we're going to see. Okay, and here we are, guys. We have the liposomal vitamin C and the liposomal glutathione. I believe once these are open, they do need to be refrigerated. Yep, it does say keep refrigerated. Thankfully, I have a mini fridge just for that. And these are the serving sizes. So you see 10 milliliters. There's 25 servings per bottle. So in 10 milliliters, you have 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Take 5 to 10 milliliters with water or juice with an equal amount of liposomal glutathione. Okay, so we're going to be equaling our vitamin C to our glutathione. Let's see what this says about serving size. Okay, this one says 8 milliliter is the serving size, and it has 1,200 milligrams of glutathione. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Fast, effective. I was just like reading on their website because I don't know, some things are like hard to understand on their website as far as like, okay, what is the product? Or I guess they're like in the middle of like adding pictures for everything. But so I was just like reading some reviews on some stuff, and people like really go crazy like about it. Just about like this working like pretty fast and everything. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna figure out what dose I'm gonna start off with and how to measure this. But yeah, that is the lineup. I just got back from a run, so I'm going to wash up and then I'm gonna start this process. I think since I'm gonna be going to bed soon, it's like afternoon, I think I'm gonna do the face and body lightening lotion, the True Skin. This one has the Snow White mixture in it. And then tomorrow, I'll see how that goes overnight, if I need to take another shower. Okay, so first I'll use this in the shower. I'll probably get out, listen to a song for like 3 minutes while that's on my skin. And then I will go in with this. And then, yeah, tomorrow if I need to take another shower, then I will. So then I can put on that before work. This being the True Skin lotion, because I do like the way this smells. It just reminds me of like the beach. And then as far as like this serum, I might wait, and I'm going to do a full week of just doing this routine, that at night, that during the day, until I incorporate the serum. And then obviously for my hands, I'll be doing the knuckle lightening scrub. And yeah, that is my plan. And then I'm going to figure out a time to do the oil, the lightening peel, because I don't know if I want to do it in sections, like one section at a time, or just full body and then just be done with it in 2 weeks.